In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Photopea. Resizing changes the pixel dimensions so images load faster, fit layouts, or meet requirements without altering your design intent. I'll keep it clear so you know what each setting does. First, open your image in Photopea. You can launch Photopea in your web browser, then bring your file in so it appears as a new document on the canvas. If you're working with a layered project, that's fine. This process changes the overall image dimensions, not your layer content individually. Next, head to the top menu and choose Image, then Image Size. This opens the Image Size dialog, which is where all the important settings live. Think of this panel as your control center for how big the image is and how it's rebuilt under the hood. Now set the width and height. For most screen and web uses, choose pixels as the unit, since that's how displays render size. Keep the little chain icon enabled so width and height remain locked together. This preserves the aspect ratio and prevents stretching. If you need an exact width, type it in and let the height adjust automatically to keep proportions correct. You can also switch units to percent to scale relatively. Remember that reducing pixel dimensions usually lowers file size, which helps pages load faster, while enlarging increases both dimensions and file size. For print, switch to inches or centimeters and set resolution in pixels per inch. Higher values mean more detail on paper, while screens only care about pixel count. While you're here, check the resampling method. Resampling determines how Photopea creates or discards pixels when the size changes. Images with logos, UI elements, or fine lines often benefit from methods that keep edges clean, whereas photographs tend to look best with smoother interpolation. For shrinking, a sharper or bicubic option retains detail. For enlarging, a smoother bicubic option reduces jagged edges. Keep in mind that extreme upscaling can introduce softness, so aim for moderate increases when possible. When your width, height, and any other settings are dialed in, click OK. The canvas updates to the new dimensions. If the image appears unusually soft or sharp, it may just be your zoom level, not the actual quality. Evaluating at a true 100% view gives the most accurate impression. And that's it. You've resized your image in Photopea quickly and confidently, with a clear understanding of what each option means. Thanks for watching and happy editing.